What's up, everyone? So from traveling back and forth between Fort Lauderdale and Vero, you could tell my truck is just like, it's covered in pollen, dust, and all kinds of crap. All the trees are just putting a bunch of stuff. And so I'm gonna clean it here. And I'm using a different type of soap that I got from Detail World in Palm Beach. And they said this one's really good. I never even heard of this company, actually. IGL coatings, but they say it's really good, so I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to test it on my own vehicle before going on anybody else's. And so I have it in a foam gun here. It's really diluted because it says like 1 in 150 ratio, so it's pretty, sounds like it's pretty concentrated. So we'll see how it does. Supposedly it's really foamy. Oh yeah, it's thick. Really thick. Kind of like the Koshemi that I usually use. Not bad. We'll see how it turns out. As you can see, I use the whole thing, and it's thick. Definitely thicker than a lot of other ones I use, but it's about the same as, I don't know, I think Koshemi's a little bit thicker actually. But it's on there nice. To see how long it takes to, like, it looks like it's already clinging on and dragging it down. I see in certain spots it's starting to pull down a little faster in other spots, but we'll see how good the cleaning power of it is. Seems like it's pretty concentrated off the bumper, the back bumper. It looks like it already dripped off. Came up quick there. Not on the fender, back fenders. The smell of it, it's, I don't even know how to describe it. It's not like the cherry smell that I get with the Koshemi one, but like, I love that one. It just smells great when I'm washing vehicles. But this one is it's not bad. Almost smells like a inside car smell, like something you get from one of the fragrances from a regular car wash. It smells pretty good though. It's like fresh smelling. Just let it sit a few minutes, see how it works. Tell certain spots of the ceramic is kind of like pushing it away. And this side's the Adams still. And this side is Avalon King's Armor Shield 9, their original version, which seems to dissipate it faster. It looks like it's just like getting rid of it quicker on this whole side, like the doors and everything. See how it's, I don't know, that stuff seems to work better than the Adams. And then curious to see how the Max works and the GOAT one of Avalon Kings for long term. I mean, we're at like how long? It's been December is a year. March, it's like it's a year and 3 months or 4 months, whatever it's at. Looks good though. Yeah, we're almost at a year and 4 months. Yeah, this side's clinging really hard. I feel like the Adams doesn't dissipate soaps as much as the Avalon Kings. And then like the Gion I use on another vehicle, that really dissipates soap fast. But that was last year's model. I got the new one, the Synchro, that I got to put on. I'm probably going to put on the next vehicle that I do. So I'm curious to see how that one does, the new version. But yeah, soap works pretty good. See how it washes off. All right, so I waited about 5 minutes. You can tell it's still clinging on there. Oh, even sticks already filled back on there. But now I'm gonna wash it off. Something stuck up there. Beating back. Look how fast it's coming off. The water just comes right off of it. lot better. There's some spots where the pollen's still sticking that I'll have to rub off with a regular scrub wash. I'll use the regular Adams pH neutral soap in a bucket to get the rest of it off. But it did pretty good. Is it better than the Chemi? I don't know. It's hard to tell sometimes. I'd have to use it multiple times. I have a smaller bottle, so I'll do the next few cars and see how I like it, little by little. Comes off pretty easily. I mean, it's also with the ceramic too, but there's so much pollen on here. Like I got these chunks. Chunks of crap all over it. Not bad. My fenders get really bad from all the tires spitting up stuff along the 95 and stuff, so looks like it's coming off pretty well what was there. That's good. Yeah, so parts actually pretty good. Pretty impressed. Especially a company I've never used before. They also have a lot of other products that are supposedly really good. Which I'll have to try next. So far, I like their soap. It's working pretty decent. Got most of the pollen off, which is good. They cover all this. Right off, nice and easy. Help my coating. I don't know, it's starting to become a little flat right here. It's weird. Wonder if the coating's dying there. I might have to use like CarPro Reset. First time I saw that. The other side's not doing that, it's just coming right off. Oh, that could be dying on there. Looks fine on here though. A lot of bugs over here, you can see it. See there's bugs right here. I mean, it's coming right off, actually, with that soap, but I got a lot of nicks too. These are all from rocks and stones from other trucks and cars picking them up. Is that bugs? I don't know what that is. That's not bugs. Yeah, all the bugs are coming right off. That's pretty good getting all the grime off. It is pretty concentrated down. I didn't put much in that. Which is good. I don't need to use as much. Actually, this side's looking a little flat too now. The hood on this side actually didn't look that great the last time I washed this truck, and now this side's looking worse. It's kind of flat. It looks like the water's kind of laying on there. It's not beating off as fast. Or that coating's gonna start dying now. I haven't put no toppers or anything on it since like the 6-month line either. So I'm trying to see how long these coatings last without any of it. I only did it the one time. All right, after it's all clean, using that new soap, it looks pretty good. I mean, I have some mineral deposits still, I can see. I mean, it comes off once I rub my finger on it. I could probably just take a damp cloth and wipe it off, but I mean, it isn't bad. I also used Adam's soap in a bucket afterwards because I had a lot of grime still around the wheels and stuff like that. I mean, they came out nice. I mean, it's not bad soap. I'm gonna keep using it, see how it works. Everything came out pretty shiny. I mean, everything always looks shiny after when you have ceramic on there. Every time you wash it, it looks like a brand new vehicle. But yeah, pretty impressed by it. Let's see how it works on other vehicles. It's also pretty cool out today. It's windy and it's like 70, so it's not bad out. Nice and cool. It's like a perfect temperature. Hey, let me know what you think.